Lamborghini Dallas proudly presents this 2015 Lamborghini Huracan LP610-4. Equipped with a 5.2-liter, 610 horsepower V10 engine and a 7-speed LDF dual-clutch transmission with all-wheel drive. This car is finished in a beautiful Giallo Horus matte yellow exterior and Nero Ade leather and Alcantara interior with yellow contrast stitching throughout. This Huracan is in superior condition and comes well optioned, including navigation, matte clear shield over front of car, rear camera, power adjust and heated seats, sport exhaust, magnetic suspension, dynamic steering, Unicolor Sportivo Alcantara interior, transparent engine bonnet, 20-inch shiny black painted Mimas forged double spoke wheels, Italian flag painted calipers, front and rear parking sensors, carbon ceramic brakes, and much more.